Hello friends and welcome back to my channel My Creative World. Today I am going to show you how to paint a glass bottle. This is a small glass bottle in which I grow a money plant. Look, it's beautiful, na? This is transparent, so I am thinking of making it decorative and creative. I am here using the acrylic colors and painting it in a very simple way. First I will paint white color. I will mainly show you the bottle. I am sharing with you a very simple and beautiful bottle paint idea. In this I am using the acrylic colors. You can easily grow a money plant on a small bottle and put it on you can put them on any table or beside the windows. Now we will leave it for 10 minutes to dry. Now I will paint yellow color over it. So now I have made the leaves of around the flowers and our design is complete. This is a very simple design, but it is also creative one.